humpbacks regularly work in an even more coordinated way. They do so when krill has descended to some depth. Once in position, they blast air from their blowholes. Working together, they create a curtain of bubbles around their prey. As the spiraling net tightens, the krill are driven closer together. And then the whales lunge upwards and collect them. Almost all humpback whales in the southern hemisphere come to the Antarctic to feed on krill.